one of the rights you have as a citizen, well, not just a citizen, as a person, is the right to privacy. So what that means is that your personal information and activities, they are protected from third-party intrusions. But before I continue, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, I don't know, did I offend you? Please subscribe to this channel, okay? Now let's get back to privacy. For the sake of clarification, your personal data would include your personal identifiable information such as your name, your address, your driver's license number, your financial information, your employment records, just anything that basically identifies you counts as your personal information or your personal data. Privacy is a big deal, okay? So when you're dealing with your customers, your clients, your brother, your friend, your partner, just any other person but yourself, you want to be sure that you are respecting their privacy rights. So you should not be stalking people. You should not be tracking their location. You should not be eavesdropping on people's conversation. You should not be recording private conversations. You should not pressure people for their personal information, and you should not steal someone else's identity, because in all of these cases, you are actually breaching their privacy rights and you will be liable. An exception to this is when you give your consent. Now, I'm going to give you a typical example. Remember the lengthy terms and conditions you always scroll through when you are signing in, maybe into a platform or a website or whatever? Exactly. You know what your mind is telling you, right? Exactly. So you give your consent to the platform to use, track, share your information, and sometimes you even waive your rights to withdraw your consent. I know that sounds scary, but just calm down. So some companies or websites need this to tailor your user experience, prevent frauds, to ensure you get targeted adverts, bunch of legitimate reasons. And there are laws that make sure that your data is being used for transparent and legitimate purposes. So the essence of this video is to make sure you are informed of the implication of consenting to those terms and conditions. Before I run off, there are other exceptions you need to be aware of. For example, if it is for public safety, law enforcement purposes, for workplace surveillance, to prevent trade secret thefts, and get background check, a lot of exceptions. You just have to consult with your attorney to be sure you're not breaching the right and the privacy of people. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.